Um, I'm sorry if this is not answering your question, but what I understand, you said just now, okay, for example, this is my notes. Okay, research participant. So I coded this as research participant. So then I want to code it again as a uh, other notes. So for example, I say sample. Okay, then I click OK. Sample. Okay, then I coded again under new notes, which I call as participant. Oh, not participant, respondent. Okay, so if you go back to your okay, if you go back to your file, okay, for example here, then you click to this file, okay, and then you highlight coding for selected item. Okay, for example, you want to highlight respondent, sample, and research participant. Okay, so this will highlight where do you code them. Okay, so as you can see here, I did all coding. I select all coding here. Okay, none, all coding. Okay, so as you can see here, this is where I coded on the same note, respondent, sample, and research participant. I hope this helped answering your question.